Hello guys! Hola! Buenos dias desde las Islas Filipinas. Welcome back to my channel, The Explorer. So before we will start our unboxing for today's video, I would like to remind you first to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and click the notification bell for you to be updated in every video that I will be posting. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe. Hello guys, so let us now unbox this item. So this is my first thing that I invest in the YouTube world. Okay, so when my YouTube channel was approved for monetization, it motivated me to buy one thing. So this kind of phone, because I would like to use it during my recording and even in video or blogging purposes, to have a good quality and to have a good result during my recording. Okay, so guys, let us now open it. Okay. So I bought it in the Smart. Okay. So here is the content of this item. So we have here the HUAWEI P40. So let us unbox it. Okay. So let's open it. So this is a good phone, which is good for the picture quality and even in the video purposes. So this is my first time to have this HUAWEI, because usually my phone is Samsung, iPhone. So it is my first to have this kind of phone. Okay, so here, let's open it. Okay, so we have here the free iPhone free HUAWEI case. So it is transparent jelly case. So next is, we have here the phone inside. Okay, it is the phone. So there is a pin remover, how to remove the SIM card in the phone. So it is the key. I don't know what is this, but push pin to be able to remove the SIM card in the phone. Okay, looks great. So it has also a manual or a guide. Okay, so it has a guide for you to install different applications in the HUAWEI. Okay, so next it has also a warranty card. Okay, so warranty card. Then sticker, the HUAWEI IMEI sticker. Then the cable charger. So it has a cable charger. Okay. And what's this? Surcharge. Okay. So it is where to connect the cable. This one. Okay, so next it has also the headset. Okay, so this is the content of the box. Okay, here and this one. Okay, so let us now open the phone. So here is the phone. Oh, wow, very small. So it has a triple camera at the back of the phone. Okay, so this is HUAWEI P40. P40. Okay, here. So it has 128 gig memory, and then it is a dual SIM also, so you can put the two network here, SIM card, the Globe and the Smart. So it is good because it is dual SIM. So if you want to use the Globe, you can insert the Globe here, and even the Smart SIM card. Okay, so this is the box. Okay, so cute. HUAWEI P40. So excited to use it. Okay, let's open it. Choo. Oh, what's gonna happen? I can't open it. Okay, here. HUAWEI P40. Oh, very nice. Very nice background. So let's explore the phone. Oh, so actually HUAWEI has its own applications. So for you to install or download those apps, you have to go to the HUAWEI application gallery. So it has its own apps or gallery for you to install those different applications in the phone. Okay, so here. Okay, so let us see the setting of the phone. About the phone, so it is HUAWEI P40. So we have here the processor. The RAM is 8 gig. The internal storage 128 gig. Okay, so nice, very nice phone. So let us explore it. Okay, here. Yeah. So there are applications that is already installed in the phone. All you have to do is to explore those applications. Okay. So we have here the messages. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Okay guys, let us see the feature of the HUAWEI P40. So that is the feature of the HUAWEI. Okay, so as you can see, it has so many applications there. Okay, so it is already installed. Okay, so I am just starting to explore this kind of phone. I don't know if it is user friendly. Hopefully I will be able to use it easily. Okay, so as you can see in the feature of this phone, it has its own application or gallery. This one, app gallery, HUAWEI app gallery. Unlike to the other phone, especially in the Android, it has Apple. I know it's not Apple Store. In iPhone, that is Apple Store. Okay, so I will show you the physical appearance of this phone. Okay, so this is the front side of the phone. Okay, And then this is the back side of the phone. So it has a triple camera at the back. Okay, so as you can see, this one. Okay. It's also slim. It's also slim. Very handy. Okay. 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 So that's it. Till my next video. So maybe in my next video, I will show you the review of this phone. If it is really a user-friendly or what.